Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. We'll be discussing about the scholarships in Netherlands at Maastricht University. This is NL high potential scholarship for international students, and this is somehow fully funded. Deadline for this opportunity is February 1st, 2026. We'll show the full process for this, how do you apply for admission, and then how do you apply for scholarship. So before we discuss that, let me remind you to subscribe YouTube channel Full Scholarships. If you already subscribed, please do like and share this video, and do follow us on Instagram page as well. The link for this Netherlands scholarship is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. Links are in the respective description of each of the videos. Also, you can directly check out our Instagram page or message our team for the link. And you can see in the about section of the Instagram descriptions or posts, you can see link is also given there. And you can meanwhile check out the YouTube about section. Link is also given there, and our website fullscholarships.net also available on that link list. Now once you visit our website fullscholarships.net or check out the link, it will take you to this page here where you can read about this particular scholarship. So this is in the Europe, and host country is Netherlands or Dutch, and the university is Maastricht University UM. Degree level is masters. Financial coverage is fully funded, that's tuition plus stipend, and the deadline is February 1st 2026. So this is one of the top universities in the Netherlands, and this scholarship will cover full tuition fee waiver, living expenses, that is a daily living cost of 15,925 euros for 13-month program and 30,000 for 25 month long program. And insurance coverage of 700 euros will be given. Visa costs and pre-academic training will be also included. Then eligibility criteria to be considered for this: you must be a non-EU citizen, be under the age of 35, and be participating in any of the full-time master's program at Maastricht University for academic year 2026-2027, and you must not have previously had higher education in Netherlands. This must be your first time in the Netherlands. Academic excellence: if you have any high achievements, you can submit them. Fields of study that you can study: you can pursue a master's program are listed here, starting from faculty of arts and social sciences to the law, health, medicine and life sciences, psychology, neurosciences, business and economics, then science and engineering. After that, the required documents must be in the format of doc, PDF or any other suitable. Then the documents that you need to submit be CV, motivation letter, proof of academic excellence or official transcripts, you can say, then personal statement of financial needs and reference letters. How do you apply? Simply scroll down. First you have to apply through StudyLink. You will receive a student number, then submit the scholarship on the university website. So in order to start application, click on this link here. Now once you click on that, you can see Maastricht University NL high potential scholarships, and all details regarding the scholarship are given here. Now you can see application procedure. Click on this link here. Now once you click on that, you can see application procedure. Step 1 is to apply at the participating master's program at University of Maastricht. So you can see step 1 given here, link. Then step 2, to fill scholarship form. So in order to fill the admission form, step 1, you need to click on this link here, and it will take you to StudyLink here. And for application form for scholarships, you need to click on this link here. So click on this, and there on the scholarship form it will ask you username and password, but this username and password you cannot generate by yourself. Once you submit this StudyLink program, you will receive this username and password. So it may take 24 hours to receive. Rest, when you log in this portal, same information, personal information and documents are required there, and there they will ask you tick the scholarship you wish to apply for. That's it. Rest, the same details have to be submitted there. Now first we have to complete step 1, that's StudyLink. So click on this. International students do not have DGID, create an account here if you are for the first time here, and if you are already having your account, so you can just choose your nationality here and click on scan or search passport. So then you have to upload your passport details and address details, contact details. That's it. You'll be having an account. I already have signed up, so I'll just use my details here. Click on the login button and enter my username and password here. Now I'll simply log in. So you can see two-factor authentications. I'll just click on email for the two-factor authentication. Let me receive the OTP in the Gmail here. Like this type of authentication they will send you, but as of now I have not received. This is the previous. Let me reload and see if we have received that. It takes few minutes. Like this type of code they will be sending you. Now I have received it. Let me check, refresh. Yeah, there you can see 701368. Let me just log in. 701368. Click on login. So it should take us to the dashboard. Now you can see for the first time users, you have to click on study programs here, click on add new enrollment, and here you can see institutions. So search and select University of Maastricht, UM. Here you can see Maastricht. So there you can see different programs. So let's change the program level. Let's select the masters. You can see different programs are there. Full-time masters you have to choose. For example, I'll just be going to any of the masters here. Let me choose one. Let me choose masters in economics. I'll select that. Now agree, click on next. Now some institutional questions, click on next question. Could you please give us the name of the school where you have completed? Mention the name of that school where you have completed your bachelor's degree, house and street number of that, and zip code. Then click on next. City, and after that country. Then click on next question. Read these questions and terms. Agree, click on save answers, then click on next. Check this box, click on confirm. So when you click on confirm, it might take few seconds, and you can see your details have been received by StudyLink and will be sent to the education institution very soon. So yeah, they have completed our application. You can see Maastricht University Economics. Let me just check an email also. You can see enrollment application sent to institution. M Economics at Maastricht University full time. So yeah, here you can see. Let me just show you the details about that. Yeah, we have received an email as well. Now within few hours you'll receive username and password for this form. So when you will receive username and password, there you have to log in and upload documents as well. So documents have to be uploaded in the same, and if there is anything separately they'll be asking, it will be in the same form. So mandatorily you have to log in and submit your documents here. Without documents your application won't be successful, and in this form there will be scholarship link as well. So as of now we have not received the link. We have not received the link here for the username and password, but once you submit it within a few hours or maybe maximum 24 hours, they'll be sending you the link for this username and password. So once you log in, you submit your personal details, scholarship details, and documents in this. That is the second step you have to complete. Rest, you need to wait for the evaluation. And once you have submitted your application via StudyLink, you will receive a student number from you for UM. You will need a student number in order to complete the scholarship application form in the step 2. You can see step 2. So student number will receive. We have not as of now received. So it takes few hours. Till then, wait and prepare other documents that you have to submit. Rest, everything is there. These documents are required: CV, motivation letter, proof of. There is templates as well if you need, like reference templates or a motivation letter template. Everything is given here, so you should check out them. So read these guidelines first, and if you have anything in confusion, just ask us in the comment section below. Our team is there to assist you. And visit our website fullscholarships.net or kashmirlook.com. And then if you have something in mind that you are having doubt regarding scholarships or not received the application form, you should always keep checking the spam section, because sometimes it lands to the spam section. And you can ask our team on message directly on Instagram if you have anything in this scholarship form pending. That's it for today. I am signing off for Full Scholarships. Please visit our website fullscholarships.net. Keep watching. Have a nice day ahead.